Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Shades. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now even Mr. Stevens himself had to repost this. Miss Blake, who was seen on social media asking the Prime Minister for a donkey to help with her farming endeavors, and was given the donkey by the administration, but was then criticized on social media for not addressing what some say is the matter at hand, the fact that there were no roads in the community. Now, Miss Blake then declined the interview and had this message to say on social media. Let me continue to go on and they will continue the reasonation. I want to look and listen.
But I won't be attending the class because my children need me to provide their dinner for another day. And also my chicken want to live for another day. And also my farm want a growth for another day. So I won't be able to waste my time to go in any partner jar class to indulge with anyone, because I have heard over the period of years that he who destroy others on their way to success, destruction shall meet them at the gate. So I do not want no destruction. And all my lifetime I have been working very hard to pay my partner jar, so I won't look for anyone to destroy to pay partner. Okay? So this is where my fans, I want to tell you that I won't indulge in anything of a sort with this young gentleman that is seeking for me to create chaos in my life. I just want a simple and happy and free TikTok page. So all my followers and my friends, I am asking you, please do not invite his page and bring it over my TikTok page. I just want to keep it simple and clean. And thank you, lady Dionne Blake from Cornwall, St. Elizabeth. Do not call me name. Do not call me name. Because if me never come out and ask me Prime Minister for donkey, you wouldn't find me fear use me to make money. Go and go use your student or your big student loan and night time on YouTube. Go and go beg your student, them and leave me alone. Do not call my name. Not take up my name, carry go up the field. Never uno never see me nor hear me. Nah know me, but now two no see me ask me Prime Minister for donkey and no realize say me TikTok page go global and me go global in Jamaica. Uno come and use me for hyphen, for use me for make money. Uno don't use me, don't call me name. Don't call me name. And when me would I want them to do anytime they say no call me name without my written sign contract underneath there. They don't put out, they don't display or no sitting there and take on no down. They send notification to me that I can't tell them, say no, take them down after the day because they no business here call me name because me never give them no go ahead to call me name. That is how it should have worked up here. Thank you for the roses. You come and call me name about me eat donkey. You see me look, me have chicken till it all a spoil. Me have them in a coop till them all are dead. What you have? The all-in-one room, hitch up in a one corner like a barrel. Can't move. Because if you move, go nowhere else in the room, it'll go in-shaped. Eh? You get up and call up me name. But she and the sister, you know, see the one a back. You know, see the one a back. One happy day back and one happy day front. And we two we did a walk aside. And you come out, say you come and dirty me up. Dirty up who? Dirty up yourself because you're dirty already. Because you did the on Half Tree Street. Thank you for the hat. You did the on Half Tree Street. I walk and I lick the floor. Thank you. You did the on Half Tree Street. I walk and I lick the floor. I clean the floor with your mouth. And if it wasn't for Andrew Holness' wife, give God the glory and give thanks to Andrew Holness' wife for the good, clean, nice green heart that she have. Did we take you up and clean you up? Clean green detergent wash you down. That you can go around camera your cockroach. That you could have wash off some of your germs. That you could have gone around camera me post me video you take you up last night. I say you had dirty me up about me and donkey. And you eat the donkey them. All of the donkey them where the policeman find the remains of the donkey. And you name them off. So me have to put on tight. Please. Me I beg you no. Uparada, me a beg on one I trick them for putting a donkey that when in come for TV. And any location that go too far. He send a signal let me know say Andre come for me donkey for go near me because he must send a big old invitation over YouTube last night say donkey meat can't eat. So people fi contact me donkey and can go kill him and near me. See him send out the invitation there. The people fi come hunt down and search down fi contact me donkey can go near me so me won't have prosperity for me farm. But the blood of Jesus is against you, Andre. The blood of Jesus is against you. And your crony them, we have planned to continue prosperity in him. That you are watching to say he malnourished. And but you now look for yourself. Pick your beam out of your eye before you pick out of me donkey prosperity eye. Pick your beam. Pick the beam out of your eye before you eat it out of prosperity one. Cause me would have never dare, you could have never carry the load of my donkey carry. My donkey I carry all 200 pound, 150. You could never lift it up. And you come and pass your place. You come and pass your place with my donkey. 3 bag of feed now 150 pound, that got 50 pound now one I chicken feed the bag. And prosperity I carry 3 bag, 4 bag of feed. Now how much you are carry? How much you are carry? Prosperity carry 3 bag of feed yesterday. And me and my sister bring this stove. But you come. Because me say road. If me walk in a shop, me no must say road. Me no must say road. If me in a darkness, me no must say light. Me did in a distress to one donkey, so me say donkey and me get donkey. Me never in a distress for chicken and goat. So me couldn't come out and say goat. But the whole hour no come. The whole hour no come, because you know sister labor right to do well. Because you know sister PMP the way behind we. And we the labor them are go up in a power up there, so we are go up. We are push out. We are labor for we children future. And we grandchildren, them future. And that we are labor. And sister, we are the way better than one another for 18 years. How much years since the Prime Minister in a power? And look how much people live in a nice shit where they live in a room in a nice clean house they live in a. When PMP did in a power, my mother used to have to got people shop go church chicken back. For them fast with him and run him. And now me can run chicken business. With prosperity, a easy load up for me. You know, see how prosperity can walk before me cut road for me. You know, see how prosperity can cut out road for me walk when time prosperity. I dash before me with me feed, with me picking them food. Prosperity make me 2 hand them free.
Now, people on social media are saying Miss Blake is a supporter of the Prime Minister and the administration, which is quite known. That is why she was in the community that the Prime Minister was doing a walkthrough in. It was one of the strongholds of the administration. So it was no secret, rather, that she was a supporter of the administration. Now, of course, we know Andre Stevens must wish her all the best. Not because she declined to do an interview and she said what she said. These are her own feelings. Hopefully she misinterpret what was said though. Because in her own words, she believes that people don't want to see her with the farm animal and people don't want to see her progress and prosper. And in this moment in time, what Jamaicans need to do more than anything else is for united in the aim of betterment for everybody upon the island, regardless of which party you support and regardless of your entrepreneurial endeavors. But talk to me in the comment section. Miss Blake definitely had some strong words for those who should say of them eye and them mind upon our business. If you're new to your channel, so click the subscribe icon then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share, and tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.